that we shall start again. We, the graduates of Madonna Degree College for the Deaf, hereby pledge that we shall, in thought, word, and deed, ever endeavor to be scrupulously honest in the discharge of our duties, that in all circumstances we shall uphold the dignity and integrity of our profession and the honor of our college and the nation, and that we shall devote all our energies to promote the unity and secular ideal of our country and utilize our knowledge in the service of our nation and society.
Thank you, Mother. I request Reverend Sister Elizabeth Rani to present a shawl and memento to our chief guest, Professor K. Viennaram. Thank you, Sister. I deem it. Thank you, sir. I request Reverend Samuda to present a shawl to our beloved mother. Thank you. Thank you, sir. To express my feelings of gratitude on this occasion. First of all, to the Almighty God for showering His abundant blessings upon us. I am delighted to express my very gratefulness to our chief guest, Professor V.N. Rao, Director of Acharya Nagarjuna University. We are ever thankful to you, sir, for accepting our invitation and the inspiring speech which you have delivered this morning, which we express from the bottom of our hearts. We are happy to have another distinguished person in our today's celebration, President, Most Reverend Bishop Prakash Mallavargu, the Bishop of Vijayawada. His presence here has certainly made the occasion grand, and we sincerely thank you for your valuable messages and the choices present on our institution. Thank you, my Lord. A momentous part of the moment of expressing my gratitude, our Reverend Mother Anne Teresa. Mother, your presence here amid us this day filled us with and increasing our joy. I thank you, dear Mother. My sincere thanks also go to our guest of honor, Sri B. Brahmanandam, the Regional Inspection Officer, Krishna District. I express gratitude to all the parents, students, Reverend Fathers, Sisters, well-wishers, and members of media for their valuable presence and moral support. Indeed, your presence helped us perform better. I would like to extend my thanks to our beloved sisters and my dear colleagues and all the supporting staff for their guidance and cooperation at every stage of the organizing program. I also extend my special thanks to the media. Their better coverage of students.
Bharat Bhagya Vidata Punjab Sindhu Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkala Vanga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uchala Jalagita Ranga Tava Shubha Nami Jage Tava Shubha Shisha Mage Gahe Tava Jaya Gata Jana Gana Mangala Dayaka Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidata
ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿರುವಂಥ Madonna Special Institute for Specially Challenged Children and Youth, celebrating the event of convocation of BCom degree students. ఈరోజు మాకెంతో సంతోషం, అభినందనీయమైనటువంటి కార్యంలో పాల్గొనడం. ఎందుకంటే వినడానికి మాట్లాడటానికి సామర్థ్యం లేనటువంటి ఈ మన చిన్నపిల్లలను విద్యార్థులను యువతను ఈ విధంగా తీర్చిదిద్దుతున్నటువంటి ఈ స్పెషల్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఆఫ్ మడోనా స్కూల్ కాలేజ్ వాళ్ళు మొదటి క్లాస్ నుండి డిగ్రీ వరకు ఇక్కడ పిల్లలకు యువకులకు ఇలాంటి సౌకర్యం
ವರಸುತ್ತನೆ ಪವಿತ್ರಾತ್ಮವ ಈ ಭೂಮಿಯ ಅಣುಗೆ ಸೌಹಾರ್ದತ ಜಗದುಡೆಯ ಭುವಿಪಾಲ ದೇವಾತ್ಮವ ನೀನಿಂದ ತನ್ಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಮನ ಶಾಂತಿತ ಸ್ವರ್ಗದ ಅಧಿಪನೆ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಾರ ಏಕರೂಪನ ನಮಗಿಂದು ತೋರ ಆತ್ಮದೊಡೆಯನೇ ಮುಕ್ತಿದಾತನೆ ಸರ್ವ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಪರಿಪಾಲನೆ ಸಾಗರದಲೆಗೆ ಸೆಲೆಗಳ ಬರವೇ ಕೇಳು ನಿಮರವೇ ವರಗಳು ಸಿಗವೇ ಜೀವದ ಒಡೆಯನಿಗೆ ನೀನು ಕರುಣೆಯ ಮಗನಲ್ಲವೇ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಕರಗಳಿಗೆ ನೀನು ಮಡಿಲಿನ ಮನವಲ್ಲವೇ ತಂದೆಯು ಅವನೇ ತಾಯಿಯು ಅವನೇ ಆತ್ಮವು ಅವನೇ ಪ್ರಾಣವು ಅವನೇ
Got my